In this video, I'll show you how to enter maze data into navigation. So first you're going to click Go to Benchmarking from your literacy dashboard. It's going to default to the grading period A6, April, May. So just don't touch this first field because it's going to be correct saying April, May. You'll select your campus, the grade level, and the assessment is maze. Then hit Get Students. This should pull up the roster of all the students in your grade level. As you can see, I've already entered some maze data as I've been playing around and testing the system. And so if you submit scores and come back later, those scores will still be there. So as you can see, if I scroll down to the bottom of the page, there's the Submit button. That's what I need to hit to save scores. Let's enter some scores for Marcella. Let's say she got a 10 with 1 error, 13 with 1, and let's say the last one she got 8 with 1 error. So we had 10, 13, and 8. I scroll down and always hit Submit. It might be good to do a little jingle to remind yourself as you're going through this process. Just for both maze and RCBM, always hit Submit. Always hit Submit, because if you don't, the data is not going to save. So Marcella, you'll notice that her scores are still there, but they did get rearranged in order of lowest to highest scores. And right now that's the way the data portal does it. I've requested that that be fixed, but I don't know if it'll be fixed in time. It's not a super critical problem, but do know that the scores might get rearranged in this lowest to highest order, okay? Now what if you need to edit a score? Let's say Marcella, oh, whoops, I was looking at the wrong student's test, and actually Marcella got 20 out of 1, 20 with 1 error on all the scores. If I change her data and hit Submit, it will overwrite those scores, okay? Every time you hit Submit, it is going to take you back to this benchmarking page, which is a little time consuming, but hopefully you won't be doing that too often. So now we can see Marcella's scores. The edited score did take and save, and we know that 20 out of 1 is her actual score that she got, okay? So if you save, every single field has to be filled in. So you can't leave anything blank. If I were to leave, the errors blank on Jimena, when I hit Submit, the scores actually just won't save. So when I go back there, you're not going to see anything for Jimena because I didn't actually fill in the errors. So make sure that every single one of these 6 fields is filled in as you're doing your data entry. That's it for entering maze data. Yeah.